We just got to Disneyland for another day, and to start it off, we had to get a mummy macaroon.
And it's
Look
like
how cute
cookies and cream filling.
Yeah. We're here with my sister and her family, and one of her family's friends, and so we're so excited. It's gonna be a really fun day.
Awesome packed day.
Yeah, we just got fast passes for Indiana Jones, so we're gonna make our way over there. Okay guys, super hot and way crazy crowded out right now, but we just tried the frosting on that baby. Oh my gosh.
It's amazing.
Seriously so good. I mean, I love all like the macarons and stuff, but like this one is so good because that inside is cookies and cream. Oh. Bengal barbecue for lunch. Ooh, haunted mansion.
It's Jack's little friend Zero. Who love gave to me a star, a brilliant star.
Yes, that's what you did!
Hey, candy cane! Hi Brandon, what are we gonna go on?
Small World.
It's a small world. Fantasyland is my home. Your home. It's a small world!
Pirates time.
It's a little wet up here.
I know.
But whether I open mates and hold on tight.
What's a puss?
No fear in your evil faces.
Or I'll be sending you to Davey Jones.
It's the rum they want. Drink up, marriages. Yo-ho!
Well, good now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads?
You see that? Over here.
Toast to Paris and its many shining rewards. As a career, what could be more rewarding? Drink up, me Paris, yo ho.
Who can tell what dangers lie on tomorrow's time?
We're headed to California Adventure to see Cars Land at nighttime.
It's all decked out in Halloween stuff.
I know, I'm so excited to see it with all the Halloween. Picked up some salads for dinner. This guy's so cool. We just got him at dinner. It's a keychain, but you can also put him on a straw. Whoa.
And this one's man.
Heimlich's candy corn toss. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. And you can even get Heimlich himself. And Francis, candy corn. Time to go play some games. All right.
You got this. So close.
Maybe you should try this.
You've got this. This is your game. I'll throw one. Oh, so close.
Getting closer.
Oh, that was in.
All right, last one. Oh.
Good try. Thank you.
Treats and sweets are my favorite things to eat!
want this cute orange one?
Yeah.
Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin Halloween. It's the best song ever.
I think it's Honkin' Halloween.
Not Pumpkin Halloween?
No, I think it's Honkin' Halloween.
Alright, you guys decide. Is it Pumpkin Halloween or Honkin' Halloween?
I don't think it's gonna say it on this one.
It is. Okay, it's probably Honkin'.
Those are Honkin'.
Was it it?
No, you spin.
Woo! I felt that.
So I think this is one of my new favorite rides. I haven't been on it very many times, but it's really fun.
It is really fun. I like the Halloween edition too. Hi, Maida! Aw, kid size. Or you have big head. We're just ending the night hanging out with the Headless Horseman.
Well, thanks for watching.